Hi, this is Scott with MyTech USA. Here's a tip for using MayCAD, MyTech's free downloadable 3D software. Here we will show how to create sliding panel doors using sliding profiles. Let's start with a wide frame profile assembly, then go to Extrude on the toolbar or from the Draw drop-down menu and add a piece of sliding profile across the top and bottom where you want to add the doors. Add a slot panel in one of the slots where you want one of the doors. The slot panel will add a full panel into the two profiles you just added. Select the panel you just created, and with the Properties box from the Widget drop-down menu, edit the panel width down to the size that you want and hit Enter. If you want to create 3 sliding doors, then the panel should be a little larger than 1/3 of the full opening. Then repeat the panel add step for the other 2 slots, providing a panel in each slot. You can then add handles or other accessories. Thank you for viewing using MyTech and MayCAD. Please check out our other videos or visit our website for product information, distributors, and software downloads.